Yo, this is ManMan Whoops and my civil. About to watch U.S. only. U.S. car crash, road rage, complexion, 45. Let's get into this thing. I'm recording. Yep. Cut the sound on. Wow.
No, the kid and yeah, there was 2 cars stopped. He went between them.
Look at that car, bro.
To blow the light. Oh shit! Shit!
T-bone driver because okay. So did he almost run a red light? Why he stopped so far? But they was texting. Their fault. What is that? A car? Oh, that's a truck. I was like, what the hell is that light? That was a car. That was weird. Wow. Hit and run. Smack! You're in the middle of the road, bruh. Come on now. You're in the middle of the road, chilling. Ooh, this car gonna merge. Psych. Wow. Them reflexes, though.
Oh my god, you fucking asshole!
Dang, is she mad?
Fucking asshole!
She's mad. She's in shock. I didn't even see you. I'm fine. I'm just in shock. You know, you hit me. You scared the beliezes out of me. Calm down, man. She's like going in. He might. This look dangerous. Yep. There it is. There it is. Smack. You're on wet roads, bruh. Just totaled that whole car. Look at that car. Gone. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Watch it merge.
Damn! Did I just catch that?
I don't know who did what. Smack. Retarded.
Pulled into you. I saw it. You're in your lane. Fuck. Well, I just stayed near that. There's no way you know. He's not gonna leave, is he?
I seen that he pulled in your lane. That's all.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Fuck! Jesus fucking Christ!
Jesus! Jesus! He's not gonna save you. What is going on? Did somebody go the wrong way? Somebody did go the wrong way. How you gonna stop in the middle of the parking lot? Come on now. He got smacked. Look, I'm out of here, bro. All that traffic. Look at all that traffic. Flip the whole car, bro. People just gonna keep driving. Disrespectful. Nobody gonna help? That's how y'all feel? That's how people feel, bro. Come on now. There it is. That Jeep chilling, not moving. Get out, Jeep. Yeah. That Jeep was shit. She got all slow and cautious. Come on now. React. Like, should I get out? Shit. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get out. So remember, whoops to myself. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. Do what you do, man. Show all the love. Tell me if you want me to react to something. I already got a couple videos that people want me to react to. I already got them done. They will be posted next week. Yeah. So, man, whoops, am I gone?